Okay, so here we're going back to the example from the beginning, and we're talking about this snack mix that has chocolate chips and almonds in it. So in brand A, there is 1 chocolate chip for every 2 almonds. And in brand B, there are 3 chocolate chips for every 5 almonds. And both bags are about the same size. So question A says, which brand has more chocolate chips? So let's first create a ratio for each. So for brand A, for brand A, we have 1 chocolate chip for every 2 almonds. So it's 1 to 2, where this is chocolate chips and this is almonds. And then for brand B, we have 3 to 5, where once again we have chocolate chips on the left and almonds on the right. Now, whenever you're comparing 2 different ratios, so these are not equivalent ratios, it's important to work out which you're looking for. So in this case, we're looking for chocolate chips, which is on the left. So, because we're looking for chocolate chips, we have to make our almonds, the other one, the same. So we don't want 2 and 5, we want them to be the same. So what I'm going to do is to create this equivalent ratio, I'm going to multiply both of these numbers by 5 here. So not the one we circled, the other one. I'm going to underline it. So 1 times 5 and 2 times 5. And 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10. And then here, we're going to multiply both of these, not by the one we circled, but by the other one, which is 2, and you'll get 3 times 2, and then 5 times 2. So you'll get 6, the ratio of 6 to 10. Now that we have 10 in both ratios, we know that whenever there's 10 almonds, there will be 5 chocolate chips, but here whenever there's 10 almonds, there will be 6 chocolate chips. So we can say, therefore, there are more chocolate chips in brand B. Now, if you were asked to find the opposite, so to see which one has more almonds, for brand A, we have 1 to 2, where this is almonds and this is chocolate chips, and in brand B, we have 3 to 5, pardon me, where this is almonds and this is chocolate chips. So now, because we're looking for almonds, we circle that instead of the chocolate chips, and we're going to multiply both of these by 3. So not by 5, by 3. So 1 times 3 and 2 times 3. And you'll get 3, because 1 times 3 is 3, and 6, because 2 times 3 is 6. Then over here, we're going to multiply both of these, not by the circled one, but by the other one, 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. And, 5 times 1 is going to be 5. So you get 3 to 5. So you'll notice that now the chocolate chip amounts are the same. We've got 3 here and 3 here. So we can, whenever there's 3 chocolate chips, there's 6 almonds here, but whenever there's 3 chocolate chips, there's 5 almonds here. So this is our bigger number, 6. So we can say, therefore, brand A has more almonds. And this actually makes sense because if brand B has more chocolate chips, then brand A has less chocolate chips, which means it has more space to have more almonds.